Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to modify an EC2 instance type both through the console and the CLI. So let's start with the console. Copy and paste the username and password given to you. Sign in. Click on EC2. And now you can click on instances. We're already given an EC2 instance named DevOps EC2. It's in a running state and we need to change its type, which is T2 micro to T2 nano. So we click on the instance, we go to instance state. First thing we need to do is to stop the instance. So click on stop. And now we go back to instances and the instance state is in a stopping mode. It may take a few moments to appear in a stopped state, so you can always refresh, take a look. And now it's in a stopped state. Now we go to actions and we go to instance settings and we change instance type. Click on change instance type. Instance type is T2 micro. We need to make it T2 nano. So click on the delete button or the X button here and write T2.n nano, and here it is. Click apply. It will automatically change to T2 nano, but now we are required to make the EC2 instance in a running state again. So to do this, we go to instance state and we click on start instance. And now we give it a few moments so that it will change instance state from pending to running. You can always refresh the page and in a few moments you will see the instance is running. Here it is, running state. So now we can go back and click the check button. And here it is, everything is correct. Now the next part of this video is the same task. Change the EC2 instance type, but this time from the command line interface or CLI. To do this, we can always use the documentation. AWS EC2 describe instances to list the instances we have, in this case only one, and as you can see it's in a running state. This is the instance type, which is T2.micro. Now we need to change it to T2.nano. The instance name, you can find it down in the tags. The name changed because it's a new session of this lab. So AWS EC2 stop instances, instance IDs, and we grab the instance ID. There's a typo here. Stop instances, we need to add the O. And here we go. So it's in a stopping state. It was in a running state, previous state. Now let's verify again to make sure the instance status changed. Let's take a look to see if the status changed to stop. It's actually still stopping. Let's give it a few moments. Describe instances. And the state of the instance changed to stopped. Let's take a look at the documentation to see how to modify the EC2 instance. So here's the command: AWS EC2 modify instance attribute. AWS EC2 modify instance attribute. And we need to grab the instance ID. so that the system knows which instance we want to modify its type. And the instance type, you change it by copy pasting this command, instance type, and the value is t2 nano, t2.nano. So you remove t2.micro and you put in t2 nano. This will take effect right away, so let's take a look. And the instance type is right here above, changed to t2 nano. But it's in a stopped state and we need to resume it to a running state. And to do so, we will make use of the start instances command. Let's grab the command AWS EC2. We paste now the command start instances and the instance IDs, one ID, copy pasted into the command line and enter. So the return shows the instance is in a pending state. It was previously in a stopped state as we saw, and now let's give it a few moments so that it will go back to running state. Still pending. So we'll try again. And now the EC2 resumed its running state. Let's check. Great, so that's all folks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for similar videos in the future.